you again?
Yes, ma'am. I am going to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, okay. Do it. Okay, children. Now it's anyway, it's 24 children have joined so far. So shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let them join in between. Okay. Can you see me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, fine. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am. Fine,
Happy
ma'am.
to see you again.
Very fine.
Waiting for the day you are coming to school and have to meet. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Then have you revised the portion which I have taught you on the last class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So we have discussed about maths, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
We
Excuse me,
discussed
ma'am.
about maths, right? Yes.
Yesterday I missed that class, ma'am.
You missed that class.
Yes,
Okay.
about
So
the
don't
chemistry,
worry.
ma'am.
Anyway, I'm revising the points which I have told you on the last class. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So children, last class we have discussed about map, right?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? Isa, 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 am I audible to you? Isa, can you tell me what is a map? Who is talking there? Mute your audio, please. Mute it. Isa, tell me what is a map? I can't hear you. Say louder. Isa. Thinking. You
Ma'am.
know the answer, Isa. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Isa. Now, then tell me. Speak up. I'm not getting any response. I can see your lip movements, but Shreya, tell me. No. First unmute it. Yeah, then tell
A
me.
map is a two-dimensional drawing
Oh, yes.
of a place in a flat surface.
Very good, Shreya. A flat is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Okay, so what do you mean by two-dimensional?
Ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
yeah.
Length and width.
Length and width.
Width.
Okay, very good, children. So a map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Is it clear to you, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have discussed about the types of maps. Chinmay,
Yes, ma'am.
Chinmay, can you tell me which are the types of the maps we have discussed?
Political map,
Yeah.
physical map,
Yes.
thematic map.
Very good. Political map, physical map, and thematic map. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these three are the three types of the map which we have discussed, right? Okay, let me share a screen. Okay, okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Children, Can you see anything there on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. PowerPoint. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
But it is
Yes,
not
yes.
big.
PowerPoint presentation is here. So last class, we have discussed about the 3 types of map. Okay.
Yes.
And Daniel, tell me, which are the 3 types of maps?
Thematic map,
Yeah. Thematic map. Then,
political map,
yes.
physical map.
Very good. Very good. It's the correct answer.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
can any one of you can tell me what does a physical map shows?
Ma'am.
Shreya. Okay, Shreya, tell me.
Water body.
Shreya, tell
A
me.
physical map
Yes.
shows the landforms and water bodies and
Yes.
the height of the different places.
Okay. So a physical map shows the height of some places, different places,
Countries.
and landforms, different landforms like
Physical
mountains,
features.
yeah, plateaus, and also the water bodies. Okay, water bodies means that oceans, seas, rivers. Okay, so a physical map shows the physical feature of a particular place. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then let me ask this to Helen Tito. Helen Tito,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what does a physical map shows?
The physical map shows
Yes.
landform, water bodies, and the height of different places.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so let me show you the physical map of India. Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
But can you take a little bit big?
Yeah. Wait.
Can you
Now,
make
is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
the
Clear.
bases are not clear?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's not clear.
Not clear?
Ma'am, the bases are not clear, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Take
Okay.
that.
We can zoom. Ma'am, we
Yes.
can zoom.
Okay. Just, I will try this. Okay. So, children, a physical map shows the physical features of a particular place. Here we can see the physical map of India. Right? Can you see the
Yes, ma'am. Physical map of
so
India.
children? Here,
Yes, ma'am.
here in a small box, can you see international boundary,
Yes,
river,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
mountain
Yes,
peak?
yes.
Can you see
Yes,
this
ma'am.
here?
Yes, ma'am.
Small box international. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that means that the major landforms, the landforms of a particular place and the rivers means the water bodies, everything, or that means the physical features of India is displayed on this physical map.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very
ma'am.
good.
Clear.
So a physical map shows, tell me, whom I will ask, let me see. Irene Dennis, tell me. Irene, unmute your audio and speak up. It's not audible.
Can I tell the question again?
Sorry.
Can you tell the question again?
What does a physical map shows?
A physical map shows
Yes.
landform,
Yeah.
water bodies.
Yes. Good. The height of the different places. That means that the physical features of a particular place. You understand, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, children, to all of
Yes,
you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next. So in the next one, we are going to discuss about a political map. Okay. So a political map shows the borders of countries and the states.
There are
Okay.
two
Capitals.
There are two A's.
Yeah. National capital
in the
and
states.
the state capitals. Here some spelling error is there. Okay, so a political
problem, ma'am.
map shows the borders of countries and states and the national capital and the state capitals. All this is displayed on a political map. Let me show you the political map of India.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the seam we have shown? Means before I have shown you the physical map of India, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this one is the political map. We can see the borders of different states. Okay, national capital. Which one is means which is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Delhi. Good.
Delhi.
Then
Delhi.
the capital of
Delhi,
Kerala.
Tiruvananthapuram.
Very good. Very good.
Tiruvananthapuram.
So, in a political map, we can see the borders, okay, of different countries and the states, okay, and also we can see the national capital, state capitals, okay, everything we can see on a political map. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Okay, then Nevin. Nevin, is the turn on your video? Nevin Joy. I think his connection is lost. Anusri.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what does a political map shows?
The political map shows
Yes.
the boundaries. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Boundaries, states,
Yes, yeah. Boundaries of states and countries. Then,
national capitals,
yeah, national capital and state capital. Everything we can see on a
political map.
very good, Anusri. The next, the third one we have discussed, that is thematic map. Okay, that is informations related to a particular theme based. Okay, that means that major crops produced in a state. Crops, you know, oats, barley.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then rainfall of a particular place means that in a particular place, the rainfall of that particular
Weather, climate.
Yeah. Means that it is related to a particular theme. Okay, particular theme that is showing or displaying in a thematic map. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Nairin, again your video turned off, I think. Nairin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, here we can see the same Indian map, that is a thematic map. Okay, and the informations related to a particular theme based map we can see over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Is it okay, children? These three
ma'am.
types of map, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Now,
I have only
we
doubt
are-
in the
Yes.
thematic map.
Yes,
I didn't understand.
Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shreya, listen
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here. We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see, children, all others mute your audio, please. Okay, listen, children. Information related to a particular theme. Okay, that means that if the production of a particular state or a country, example, the production of oats, barley, etc. Okay, if we want to see the details of such information, we can refer a thematic map.
I'm now it's clear, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Then listen, and if any means the rate of rainfall of a particular place, a particular area, okay, we will refer The thematic map of such means such informative map we will refer. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, fine. Okay, so there are 3 types of map: political, physical, and thematic. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
It's clear.
Okay.
Clear.
And now we are moving to the features of a map. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
features of map. See here.
Ma'am, can we note this?
Yeah. Just note it down. The features of a map. See, children, here we can see a title, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Yeah. What you can see over here?
Title.
Title.
Physical map.
While you were writing a chapter, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what will you write on the first?
Chapter 1.
Chapter 1, and the lesson name
title
is the title of that chapter.
That's
Okay, the title of that chapter. So, a title shows what the map is about. Okay, a title shows,
ma'am.
wait.
Ma'am, you can say, ma'am. We will write.
Okay, I will write. A title shows what the map is about. Wait, children. Let me take.
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
A title shows, title, T-I-T-L-E. Okay, title shows what the map is about. Which means, okay, is it a physical map or a political map? Okay, or a thematic map, or is it means the place name, means the country name? All this
Yes,
information we can see on its title.
Okay, ma'am.
Title shows
Okay.
what the map is about.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have
Yeah,
noted
ma'am.
down the points? Have you noted
Yes,
down?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Then wait.
I'm only simply noted.
Yeah, that's enough.
Ma'am, we should write with pen.
Yeah, you can write with pen. No problem.
No, what words we should write with pen, right? 5th onwards.
Yeah. 5th onwards, you have to start write with
Okay,
pen.
ma'am.
Please start to write with pen.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
I have
ma'am.
another
Yes,
one
yes.
doubt, ma'am.
Who is asking the doubt?
I'm Shreya.
Shreya, ask me.
I'm asking the common. Which all subject we need the papers?
Papers, that information I will send through the WhatsApp, okay? Anyway,
Okay.
social, and I think in case of science also, we need only the workbooks, question
yes, ma'am.
answers. Okay,
Okay,
but
ma'am.
for English and maths, I think you needed
Maths is
papers.
paper, ma'am.
Maths also.
Paper.
Yeah.
Then Hindi also paper.
Yes.
I don't know about
So that
other
concerned
subjects.
subject teacher will inform you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ask me. Who is that?
Rana Fatima.
Rena. Ask me, Rena.
Ma'am, in the workbook we can write with pen.
Yeah, sure, you can use the pen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
children. So we have
Excuse me, ma'am.
discussed about title. A title
Excuse me, ma'am.
shows what the map is about. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Okay,
Then,
ma'am.
can you see a small box over here?
Yes, ma'am.
And we can see different colors, right?
Six colors.
Yes, 6 colors we can see. And it have written, means here it has written something over there. Okay, so this is the key. This feature is called the key of a map. Key. So write it down, children.
Ma'am,
I will write it.
can you say one more time the
Yeah, I will tell you. Wait. It's key shows the symbols and colors used in the map. To explain the symbols or the colors used in the map.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
I will show you again. Listen
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
See? Here,
And after
this is the key
you showing
of
all
this
it's
map.
coming,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay. We can see some of the colors and the symbols used to explain, used in this map. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
It is clear, ma'am. This
Wait.
picture is
See?
very clear.
Here,
No,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
not clear.
What about now?
Then this one it's clear.
Okay.
Ma'am,
See?
physical map.
Clear.
See
This is
this
clear.
one.
Ma'am, it's very clear.
Okay,
It's
listen,
very, very
children. See?
Okay, ma'am.
Here, a pink line is here. It has written international boundary. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, one other blue color is there and it has written river.
River.
Yeah.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
a triangle, black triangle. It has written
Mountain
mountain
peak.
peak. So, these are the information. Okay. That
Used
means
the map.
the symbols and the colors used in the map.
In the map
Okay, which feature shows it?
shows
Key.
key.
Ma'am, somebody's drawing on the
Who
board.
is drawing? I have already told you many times.
Ma'am, who is how to draw? I don't know.
No. In your book, you need to write or not.
Okay, ma'am.
No. Just you have to written key. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
explain the symbols and the colors used in the
Ah,
map.
okay.
That only you
Okay.
need to note it down. Okay. Here I have shown you an example. Okay.
Hmm.
See, children.
Ma'am, that I know. ma'am.
Children, listen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. This black triangle, can you see over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the map, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these
Kabbali,
are the
Durga.
symbols used in the map to describe about the mountain peak.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And
Okay,
this
ma'am.
blue line indicates the rivers.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
You understood what I meant?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
International boundary.
Yes.
See the line?
I understood.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, that is the international boundaries are explained
Can you
with the
tell
use
one
of the
more?
pink color.
To understand the India only.
Okay.
International
You
borders.
understand? Listen, children. Did you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
So the key shows or explain the symbols and the colors
Yes,
used in the
ma'am.
map. Is it clear,
Ma'am.
children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then the next feature, it is scale. You are using the scales, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
what?
Yes, ma'am. For
Ma'am, measure.
Yeah, very good. Okay, here the scale in a map is used to show how much area is covered by the map. Scale.
drawing straight lines.
Yeah, then that means that you are using for doing maths and all. Here scale is using scale, that feature used to show how much area is covered by the map. How much total area is covered in
And
a
should you want to
particular
write
map?
total also?
Yes?
That word total.
Oh, yeah. How much area is covered by the map can be seen in which feature? Scale.
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 Okay. Children,
Yes,
These
ma'am.
three
Yes, ma'am.
features, is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am. It's very clear.
Ma'am.
Let me ask to Vishnu.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what does a title shows?
And I need to know about math.
It's not clear, Vishnu.
And I shows about
Sorry.
saying that let this not speed
Problems.
like problems, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Now I can hear you clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me.
What this map is about.
Ah, yes, good. A title shows what the map is about. The title of a particular map. Okay, shows what the map is about. Okay, then Isa, can you tell me what does key feature includes? Key. Isa. Are you there, Isa?
Muted, ma'am.
Isa? Are you there? Someone has written again as Galaxy A50. I have told many times to change your device name.
Ma'am, Najma. That's Najma.
Najma written that. Galaxy A50.
Who is that?
Najma.
Najma.
Najma. Okay, Najma, change it.
Rename it.
The video
Yes,
and
rename it.
ma'am, there will
Whom I
be
will ask
three dots.
you. Razil.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me,
Question.
key feature. Key.
Shows the symbols and colors.
Yes, very good. It shows
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
colors and the symbols used in the map. Okay, then Vinayak. Vinayak.
Yes,
Scale.
ma'am.
Scale. The next feature. Scale.
Scale shows the how much area is covered by the map.
Very good. A scale feature means it's a feature in our map, shows how much area is covered by the map. Very good. Okay, then can we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I think it's the time to wind up. Okay. Okay, children. We can see you on the next
No, ma'am,
day.
till 3:15.
It's
3:15
the time,
only,
I
ma'am.
think. 3:15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the time now.
Ma'am, now 3:12 only.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher is waiting over here for the next class.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
When you come next
Thank you,
day,
ma'am.
read and study all these terms. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
I'll send the notes in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
group and write it and study. Means that question answers. At least 3 times you write and study all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. See you on the
It
next
was a
class.
wonderful
Bye.
Ma'am.
Love you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Wonderful class, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.